Give me a thumbs up when you have the slope. Alright, Derek, how do I find the slope of a table?
Use your X and Y values.
Use my X and Y values? What about them?
Well, find the change in Y.
Okay, what is my Y changing by, class?
3.
Positive or negative 3?
Positive.
Positive 3. What is my X changing by?
Positive 1.
Okay, Derek, once I've found what my Y and my X are changing by, what do I do?
Well, you put 3 over 1
Why is it 3 over 1?
because Y goes over X.
Change in Y goes over change in X. Okay, and Jimmy, is there an easier way to write 3 over 1? 3. Okay, so we found our slope. What's our slope? 3. What's the other piece of information I need to know about a line to write its equation? The y-intercept. Was the y-intercept given to us? No. Okay, so I want you to work with your partner, and I want you to use the information that you do have to try to figure out what the y-intercept of that linear table would be. Go ahead and work with your partner. You're going to take 1.5 minutes to do that.
Which one do we use? So I'm confused.
When you think you have the y-intercept, give me a thumbs up.
This is a y equal. That equals 3 times 2, which is 6. That's 3. Wait, no. Ain't no you have no slope.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, even if you don't have the y-intercept, I need your eyes back up here now. I need everybody's eyes, McKinya, back up here. Alright, so we found that the slope was 3. Looking at our table, what other information do I know about my line, Tiara? What other information do I know about my line? I found that my slope is 3, so M is 3. Now I want to find B. That's not given to me, but what else do I know if I look at my table? I know some X and Y values, don't I? I know one X value would be 1 and one Y value would be what? 3. What's another X value? 2 and another Y value? Do you think that information can help us?
Yes.
Where do you think we can use that? We can use our slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And how can I use this equation to help find my y-intercept? Derek, I need your eyes up here.
Right here. Plug them in.
Plug them in, okay. Do you think it matters which x and y values I use?
No.
No. Just like when we were given 2 points, it doesn't matter here. How should I pick my x and y values?
The easiest one.
Yeah, just pick the easiest numbers to work with. So I think 1 and 3 are probably easy to work with, right? Alright, so let's plug these numbers in. What do I plug in for y? 3. What do I plug in for m? 3, that's what we just found. What do I plug in for x? 1. So, do I just put the 1 like that? No. Put it in parentheses so we know we're multiplying plus b. Okay? Alright, now how do I solve this, Yohara?
You multiply the 3 and the 1.
Okay, what's 3 times 1, class? 3, obviously. So we get 3 equals 3 plus b. What do I do now, McKinya?
Supposed to subtract 3 on both sides.
Okay, subtract 3 here. Why do I subtract 3 here? The opposite operation or the what? Inverse. Subtract 3 here, what does that make that? 0, good, which got b by itself. It canceled everything out there. If I subtract 3 on this side, what do I have to do? Subtract 3 on this side. What's 3 minus 3? 0. So we have b equals what? 0. Alright. Now I want to think about this. What does that mean? Don't say it yet. What does it mean that b equals 0? I want you to think inside your head first. What does that mean about my graph if I have a y-intercept of 0? Tell the person next to you, what do you think it means? Okay. Aaron, what do you think it means?
It means that the arrow goes to the origin of the graph.
The line goes through the origin of the graph? Okay, did anybody think anything else?
No.
Brianna?
Just went across the line.
That's, yeah. So, let's talk about that. What kind of line is this?
Horizontal.
And why did Brianna think that we would have a horizontal line? Because it has a 0 slope. Is our slope 0? Is it?
No.
No, what's our slope, Brianna? 3. Would a horizontal line have a slope of 3? No. What is 0 though? Not the slope, the y-intercept. Okay, so someone in all of my classes has thought that it would be a horizontal line because we got 0 here. But do you see why it's not a horizontal line? Can you tell me why?
Because it's crossing the line. No. I don't know.
What 0 goes with horizontal, but how does it go with horizontal? How does 0 match up with a horizontal line? What about a horizontal line is 0? It does cross the y-axis.
You're crossing the origin?
Yes, that's not what I'm asking you though. Why did you think that a horizontal line goes with the number 0? What about a horizontal line is 0? Not the y-intercept, but the what? Class, what about a horizontal line is 0?
It has no slope.
The slope is 0. Okay, so you just got the two pieces of information confused, Brianna. Okay? What is the slope of this line? 3, but the y-intercept is 0, so that means that it goes through the origin. Okay? But it doesn't have a slope of 0, it has a slope of 3. It's a positive slope, so it would look like this. It would increase, and it would go straight through the origin. So if this is my coordinate plane, it would go straight through that middle part right there. Alright, now let's write the equation of this table. How would I write the equation of this table? Do I put anything else?
No.
Why didn't I put anything else on there?
Because you don't have to put 0.
You don't have to put 0. Alright, so my equation of my line, the final answer for this is just y equals 3x. You don't have to put plus 0. Alright, I want you to work with your partner on the next one. I want you to first find the slope of that table.